Hey everybody, hope we're having a good day. I want to thank you for joining me here with the Internet Billionaires Club. You took a big step coming forward here. I hope you're as excited as I am about this opportunity. And wanted to invite you here to show you how this can dramatically change your life like it has mine. Just let me tell you a little bit, about myself and how I got involved in this. Basically, I got involved with actually, I am the CEO and president of the Internet Billionaires Club. That is my own website, my own business, and what I do is I link opportunities to this website. And World Global World Network is one of those huge opportunities that I wanted to link with my business and offer it to people like yourself to change your lives, to offer your family a better life, more freedom, more flexibility, time, things of that nature. I actually got started in sales years ago. I was a loan officer. I also worked in car sales, telemarketing, home security systems, you pretty much name it. There was a gentleman by the name of Louis DeFrino, nice guy. He was in a wheelchair, and I haven't seen him for years. And he told me, Bill, your problem is not finding a job. Your problem is keeping a job, because I used to tend to get bored pretty fast, and if I wasn't, liking what I was doing, or obviously, making money, sometimes it's just not the money. It's you have a passion for what you like and do. So I got involved with direct marketing, and this is what I do now on a full-time basis. So we're going to get started here, and I'm going to go on to the next clip. Okay. Now you guys know who this guy is right here. This gentleman's name is Bill Gates, one of the world's richest men. Let me get the screen full here. Bill Gates. And I apologize about having to minimize the screen, go back and forth, but because I'm recording it, this is what I have to do. Bill Gates, you know this guy, one of the world's richest men in the world. Bill Gates goes on to say the secret of success in business is in detecting where the world will go and getting there first. Okay, if you don't know Bill Gates' story, he dropped out of a business school, and he went on with an associate to start what we call today one of the biggest software companies in the world, Microsoft. Only next a second to Apple. And Bill Gates had an idea to bring the home desktop computer to the homes, where at that time, the mainframe computers were the biggest thing. He went and he proposed his business proposal to IBM, and they pretty much laughed in his face. And as you can see now, one of the richest men in the world, who's laughing now, so to speak. He's laughing his way to the bank. And so we all know his story. Okay, here we go. That's better. Now we're rocking and rolling. I got it figured out. All right. All right. Now, right here, experts on wearable technology. The wearable technology industry is huge. It started, as you can see, in 2013, it was at 8 million, 2014, 28 million, 2015, 80 million, and by 2016 was at 111 million. And Forbes magazine goes on to say the wearable tech market will be worth $34 billion by 2020. Time magazine says how wearable tech will change your life, whether you like it or not. And the Business Insider says the end of the smartphone era is coming. So you can see where this huge technology is going. The Hilo LX, which is our bread and butter product, the most advanced wearable, a game changer in wellness. As you can see, it measures your heart rate, your breath rate, lets you know how your mood is for the day, your energy level. Of course, it has a panic button that's installed, which is a combination of that and the Guardian function, which if the person has, you might have somebody in your family that has high blood pressure or high blood sugar. This would measure that and be able to let you know exactly, what their symptoms are and all that good stuff right on your smartphone, as well as a panic button that would directly send you an email notification to let you know how that person's feeling, whether, they're going to need medical attention or whatever. Uh, Bar none, nothing like it in the industry. Also burns calories, measures your steps. You have plug-in the label enabled and so much more. Uh, Also, with the Hilo LX, you have the Hilo application store. With the Hilo App Store, the possibilities are endless. Open API allows developers to create and publish their own apps and plugins. Users have access to apps that can unlock new functions for their Hilos. Customer can benefit from the customer referral program while building their business. This is huge now. So what they're saying pretty much is it allows mobile app developers to come in, and install different types of apps that are going to offer just a whole bunch of different features that are going to make, are going to enrich our lives and make our life just a much more better place using this device. The most advanced wearable, the upcoming releases that are coming out, it's going to be able to measure your alcohol monitoring. So let's say, for example, you're out at the sports bar or club or anything with a few friends or family members, and you have this Hilo LX on. What it's going to do is going to let you know how high your alcohol level is, if it's beyond the legal limit. If it is, of course, what you're going to do is either you're going to hand your car keys over to your friend or family member if you're driving, or if not, nobody's with you, you're going to call an Uber for sure or a Lyft. It's also going to measure your blood sugar level. It's going to be the first device that's non-invasive, where you won't have to, for diabetics, they won't have to prick their finger with the needle anymore to measure their blood sugar. It's all done right on your wrist. Fitness levels, GPS tracking, pulse diagnostics. It also has an incredible mosquito deterrent. So if you're in an area that there's a lot of mosquitoes, by having that, what it's going to do is going to send a continuous sonic sound to keep those mosquitoes away from you. That in itself is worth the cost of the price of admission, if you ask me. Also, what it has the geranium stones. The geranium stones mounted on titanium plates and clipped onto your Hilo may provide you with many wellness benefits, such as pain relief and increased blood circulation. So what you're going to do is on the strap of the watch has little holes in it. You'll be able to clip those right on there and get yourself the benefit of using it. You also, each Hilo watch comes with a 5-pack band. With the 5-pack bands kit, you can choose the right color for every occasion. So no matter what you're wearing, you can match it up with your Hilo band kits, okay? Now, there is no comparison. As you can see, all the people that's been talking about us, the Hilo LX was voted as the best product in the direct selling industry in 2017. Don't take my word for it. As you can see on the top, Fox and Friends, CES, The Today Show, and NBC News, and a host of others have been fascinated by this Hilo. Smart band sales, as you can see here, Fitbit's been around for quite some time. We're just coming up, and as you can see, we're coming up fast and strong. Garmin, Samsung is next. We are ranked number 5. We're just above Sony and Microsoft, so that's a big jaw-dropping experience to just know that we're up and coming. And we look at this, we just have 5% share of the market. So a lot of people say, well, is this a ground floor opportunity? It's not even at mud level yet, if you ask me, okay? With the upcoming production of 1 million units before the end of the year, our world is positioned to be the leader of the wellness and M-Health smart bands, okay? Oh, excuse me. Small chip makes a big difference. Biozen. What a Biozen is, it's the first chip that reduces harmful effect of electrosmog. What electrosmog does, every time you use any type of smartphone, tablet, laptop, router, anything that throws out any type of frequency, it throws off sort of like the little radiation signals into your brain, your brain's structure, and could really mess you up, over long use and periods of time. So this is going to help bypass that. If you Want it built right into the device, we have what we call the new world smartphone, called the Infolio, the first smartphone that reduces the harmful effect of the electrosmog. And as you can see here, all the features that it has, it's fascinating. It has the BioZen shield, the bezel less design, and it has a battery 3380 with extreme power mode. So it's gonna actually last 4 days straight without dying out on you. It's powered by Android, and of course has a nice 5.5 screen display. And something that you never see in a phone, it actually has two rear cameras as opposed to having one in the front, one in the back. I'll have the one in the front, and I'll have a 16 megapixel and 8 megapixel dual real camera on the back with a dual tone flash. So that's pretty exciting right there. This is the guy right here, the CEO and president of the World Global Network Organization, Fabio Galdi. He's the genius behind the vision. World was established in 2011. He based an idea that World's founder had following 20 years in the field of technology and communication. In 1994, he founded the second largest internet service provider in Italy and the fifth largest in Europe. In 1997, started Mecotech International in Singapore. 2002, introduced one of the first touchscreen LCD PCs in the market. And in 2005, developed one of the first successful voice over internet protocol platforms. And as you can see today, he stands with the World Global Network, having the Hilo smartband as well as accessories. This gentleman over here is also the CEO and co-founder of the World Global Network, Alessandro Senatori. He's the mastermind behind the fascinating compensation plan that I'm going to go over in just a little bit. Antonio De Rosa, he's the Chief Design Officer and SVP Marketing. He was also responsible for engineering the Apple Watch, the creative brilliance behind the project. Top recognition. These are some of the accolades that we have. We have a AAA plus rating here for businesses for home. Ambassador of Network Marketing, 100, the top 100 solid top MLO company, direct selling network top 100, and as well as the #1 product in direct selling. As you can see here, the World Global Network is a publicly traded company under the symbol WRMT. As you can see, the fascinating growth that it's had. Over here you see 157 million to 1 billion, and by 2020, the stock plans to be up to $2 billion. It started at 26 cents, all the way up to now $20.86 per share. So you do get some of that. Once you start going up in the rankings, you'll be eligible for that. Is this a truly global opportunity? You bet it is. With 195 countries worldwide and global offices, you're never going to run out of people to share this opportunity with. We have offices in Miami, Provo, Moscow, Singapore, Bangkok, Taiwan, China, the Philippines, India, and Vietnam. The list pretty much goes on and on. Who are these people right here? I'm actually under these people right here. These guys are the #1 in the company. These are global master distributors, Grand President Millionaires, Nat and Shanita Putra. I hope I pronounce it right. I'm always afraid to pronounce that last name because I'm always thinking I'm going to get it wrong. And as you can see here, they are #1 in the company in the world of direct selling and figures. They're actually #4. So you can see right here, their income is fascinating. They're earning over $1 million a month, over $14 million a year. Chad and Natita Chung also as well, part of the company, earning $750,000, $9 million per year. And you can see as the list goes on and on, there's numerous millionaires in the company. Of course, you can be the next one. And let me just show you here, for example, if you go to the 180th person in the company, Paulo and Denise, look what they're earning a month. And they're at 180 in the level of, in the world of direct marketing. $120,000 a month, earning over $1 million a year. I mean, I'd love to be at that level. How about yourself? Isn't that something to get excited about? All right. Over here, what we have is the 7 key components that you should follow. First, of course, whenever you're making a business decision, you want to make sure you have these 7 key components in place. How is the company? How is it structured? The products behind the company. As you can see, our products are fascinating. The trend, the future, the cell phone market, the smart band market, and the electro smog market too as well. The timing couldn't be better for it. The product, the team, as you can see, is fascinating. The management is bar none the best, and the compensation plan is probably the best I ever seen in the direct marketing. And we're going to go over that in a little bit, like I said. If you are in the United States region, you will be following the pay plan, which is blue. And so we're going to be going over that. Here are the options that you would choose from. Option A, you simply would enroll into the customer referral program. Share this with your friends and family members using any method that you use. If you want to share with friends and family, use social media, you want to buy ad space or whatever. There is no cost to enroll this way. But I always suggest if you want to move up the rankings fast, you want to go with option C. But first, option B is your other option, which is become a customer. And just to earn, single products, to buy single products and things like that, so you can become a customer and just straight out just buy the products. But we don't have an issue with that. Actually, we encourage that. And the last one, like I was mentioning earlier, become a customer, plus CRP bundles with the savings. So this is where you're going to become the team developer the fastest by purchasing the packages. And this is the package. These are the 3 steps to success with the option C, customer plus CRP. This is the one you want to go with, because what happens is if you can go ahead and sign up for free, but what's going to happen is you're not going to move up to this level until you push this amount of product. So you want to go ahead and start here. What's going to happen here, it says by simply signing the membership contract, you get the right to sell World products and you become a team member. From then on, you can participate in the World Customer Referral Program. Earning Fast Start bonus, earn 10% from every pack and product sold. So right here, some people start here at the personal bundle level, but if you really want to make the money, let me just leave this mouse alone here. I have a tendency to grab this mouse so you won't be able to see the screen. So if you see the family bundle, here's where you want to start at. What's going to happen is you're going to get four Hilo LX smart bands, watches, and you get the 4 bands kit. You get the 4 geranium kit for free, and you're going to get 4 BIOS and chips too as well that you'll be able to stick on your devices, like I said, your laptops, your router at home, anything like that, to eliminate any electro smog that should come out. You could also go with the premium bundle, which is the most you're going to get the most savings. You'll save about $1,445, and you'll actually get an extra. Looks like you'll get an extra 6 for free on the side as part of the promo. So you get 6 Hilo LXs, 6 bands, 6 geranium kits, and you're going to get the 6 BIOS and chips in the promo too as well. And then, of course, if you want to go ahead and add the BIOS in, you can get 30 of them and 8 for free with a total of 38. So my suggestion is either to go with the family bundle or with the premium bundle, because that's how you can get to become a team developer the fastest. And how it's going to work is, I'll show you the breakdown actually. It says, step 2, become a team builder. Sell a minimum of 100 sales volume, partner volume on both your right and left teams to become a team builder partner. Sell a minimum of 500 sales volume, executive volume on both your right and left teams to become a team builder executive. And how this is going to work, as you can see here, this is where you want to be at, the team builder executive, 500 sales volume. So if we go back over here, you get 2 people to get the package here, the bundle here, which is the family bundle. As you can see here, you would get 500 SVs getting this package, and that's going to get you there the fastest. As you can see, you have 1 person on that side on 1 leg and then the other person on the other, and then you're going to start earning 20%. The TV partner is just the 100 SV. You don't really have a lot to get started. You want to just go ahead and start with the personal bundle and kind of work your way up. You get 120 SVs, so you have 20 extra SVs to work with, and you need that to be a team builder partner. But I would recommend starting here, because the reason why I say that is because once you become a team developer, that's why I tell you it's important to start off with a $1,000 bundle pack. You're going to unlock all these benefits right here to move up on the ranks. All team members and team builder benefits plus, you get the ability to reach rank levels. You're going to get a generation matching bonus up to 10 levels. You're going to get a $1,000 monthly car bonus on exotic cars, you name it, man. Ferraris. They just gave away a Rolls-Royce Ghost to the top master distributors, and I'll show you in a little bit some of the pictures. Diamond Life Holidays, luxury jewelry bonus. You get the executive exclusive president experience events. If they go on any type of event, you'll be cordially invited once you reach that ranking. President Millionaire Club. Once you get there, you're gonna get the 1% millionaire pool bonus, grand millionaire console as well. So you're gonna definitely need to be a team developer to start unlocking those right there. These are the ranks and matching, as you can see on your first generation. As you move up the rankings, start off at silver, work your way up to 10%, 10%, 10%. As you can see right here, you can see the volume 2,000, 5,000. And it goes pretty much all the way up to $1 million when you get to Grand President Millionaire. And then you start earning an additional 5% as you start moving up higher on the rankings. You'll always be recognized as the highest rank you achieve. So remember that, keep that in mind, okay? What we also have here, we have the loyalty membership program, which is just $59 a month. This is huge right here. You're gonna get a Hilo app Pro for up to 5 people, $60 value, protection plan for your Hilo and Folio, $99 value. So if anything would happen, it would fall, get damaged or anything like that, you get a brand new one absolutely free. You're gonna get 75 loyalty points each month for you to use in the store, and one LP is gonna equal $1. So what that's good, what that basically means is you'll be able to get a loyalty points to get yourself more Hilo watches and Folio, cell phones, more electro smog. Stickers and things like that. You can use your LP to get, like I said, the free Hilo, the Biozen and Folio. You can earn an extra 1% team value commission in your money box, and that's great at the end of the year. If you stay consecutive for 12 straight months, you get a money box that you get to open at the end of the year. And you get an unlimited Fast Start program for every person that you do refer to the loyalty membership program. You get a $6 residual commission every month. The total value is over $1,426, and then you get a 1% money box at the end of the year. So your total investment would be $708, and you get over $1,426 in value, including the 1% money box too as well at the end of the year that you would get. So it makes sense to get that. How to be active with the Blue Pay plan? Just 30 SVs to extend you an extra an extra 30 days. So you 3 ways you can do that. You could either purchase the Hilo LX Smart Band, you get 60 SVs, or sell one every single month. You could either share and sell the Biozen strips, 30 SV, or like I'm doing right now with the loyalty membership, $59 a month. You're always covered, and then of course you get all these fantastic benefits that I just discussed over here. So yeah, take another look at that. So that's going to get you all that, and it's going to keep you active, so you'll be able to qualify for your commissions each and every single month. These are the big dogs right here, Chinita and Nat Paranaputra, Grand President Millionaire, as you can see, Chad and Natita Chong. Those are the ones I'm talking about, Romancio Fulcher. And the list you can see pretty much goes on and on. These guys are making it happen. And if they are, why can't you? Okay? Here are the card giveaways I was talking about. Super car bonus once you reach the goal. The Grand President Millionaire, Nat and Chinita, they made it. They got a Rolls Royce Ghost. Chad and Natita Chong, Lamborghini. Romancio Fulcher, they got another Lamborghini, and then the other two, they got a Porsche and a Mercedes. So look at this guy. He seems excited about that. I think he's listening to that engine purr. What do you think? Okay. This is the biggest, probably most wonderful perk you can get as a partner here in the World Global Network coming on board. Once you reach the President Millionaire rank, you get to go at least one time a year, anywhere you want around the world practically. Enjoy unlimited private jet travel to the USA, Europe, Russia, and Middle East. This should just get you excited right here. If nothing else does, this should. You reach President Millionaire, and look, this is going to be you flying everywhere. I mean, you name it. You can go to Hawaii. You can go to Brazil. You can go to France, any part of Europe. I mean, just think about all the places you can visit in a year. I mean, these are memories that you're going to carry on for the rest of your life. Reason being, this is a revolutionary company. No competitors, no joining fee, no requalifications needed, no chargeback on monthlies, no monthly shipping charges. Category creator, over 195 open countries to do business in, 21% binary, $600,000 weekly maximum. If I got half of that, I'd be happy. Check matched for 10 generations deep. Diamond trips and car bonuses. It's a USA public listed company. Unbelievable retention, simple and very lucrative. Positioning is the key. Now, here's where you're going to start at, and later that's where you're going to head. You're going to want to be. Get to get to get to, and that's how it goes. Of course, I got to read this income disclosure. As you know, practically dictates that everyone's results will vary, as we are all unique and different. Basically, it takes hard work to make a substantial income in this business. Some people will make money, and some people won't make no money at all. The earnings of the World Global Network partner will be 100% dependent on your skills, work ethic, commitment, leadership, capabilities, market conditions. And you can go ahead and just read the rest of this, okay? Now, on the bottom line, there's the average participant in the World Global Network earns less than $500 per year. You got to understand this. This is a person that's basically just doing nothing. They sign up and they're just waiting for miracles to happen. In the industry, we call them posers. You go ahead and you tell 2 family members about it. One gets excited, says, yeah, I'm going to come and join, never joins up, so then you quit. Then you get back, start doing it again 3 months later because you heard somebody else was making money, so you get one deal going. They make a couple of sales. They make the $500. That's it. You don't hear from anybody else, so you quit. You made $500 and that's it. You would be that statistic. Pretty sure anybody that joined me today on this webinar would not be that statistic. So if you want to go ahead and get enrolled and signed up, like I said, go ahead and get the $1,300 bundle package. That's going to qualify you right away for a team developer, so you can start unlocking all the bonuses and earnings that I just mentioned. And you want to go to this website to sign up. It's www.internetbillionaires.club. SLUB. Again, I'll give it to you. It's www.internetbillionaires.club. SLUB. And this is Billionaire Bill signing off with the Internet Billionaires Club, where we create billionaires in partnership with World Global Network. Have yourself a great day, folks.